So at this moment you're listening the whole system running from the Maserati 2014 GTS Quattroporte. The sound system is awesome, and you're listening the product presented by Sharon, Within Temptation, and Tara. That's a very famous song. It's a beautiful song, full HD resolution and high resolution of the audio as well. And so thanks a lot for Taja and Sharon. Now the next song will be another song from Taja, back to the day that Taja was with the Night Wish band, and the song's name is Nemo. We would like to use those two video to demonstrate how nicely the screen, the system, and the sound integrate from the so you can see how nicely the HDMI performing in this case. It's very nice for the passenger at the back end. The sound is definitely beautiful because it actually comes from the lower Wilkins. The sound is very deep, and you can see how nicely the Quart LED system running at the 10.4 inch from the front. The passenger here and the passenger here. Okay. You also notice there's another screen over here. Yes, this guy is built very special. We love this song, really nice song. Night Wish is one of the very famous and very favorite bands from many other listeners, and yeah, we love this song as well. The performance of Taja and Night Wish in this song is just awesome. I can't say thank you more than that, anything for Taja and Night Wish for this song, but yeah, a big credit for them. I'm sure that in this car the passenger will be very delighted to enjoy either the right side or the left side headrest when traveling, because the headrest here can have Wi-Fi, internet, Bluetooth, make phone call, listen to the phone, listen to the music, get in the USB port, get in the SD card, and HDMI. That's a lot of things. And they can turn off on and on by themselves or by the driver seat, from the driver's seat. So it's fully controllable around the car for the whole system. So thanks again for watching, and see you in another one.